Gotta love a bit of Weld. There it is. Another bit there. That bit's over there. That bit's there. There's one bit there. Another bit down here. See all the little black seeds there. So that's got in my pocket. I'll spread it around the other Blackheath B roads and on Greenwich. Royal Borough. You stay your side of the borough. I'm in Lewisham. You're in Greenwich. So the Greenwich bin men were saying hello to Lewisham because they know it's much better over here than it is in Greenwich. So this is the St Germans Place, Blackheath B Road, and St Germans Place, one side is Lewisham, the other side is Greenwich, and the B bund is on the Lewisham side. So Lewisham's cool. So I'm back home on my street, and I've got my Weld seed in my pocket. I'm going to shake them all out. I'm on my street. So don't tell Amanda. She owns this house and she's a bit particular about her wildflower meadow. She might not like Weld, sticky uppy. It's a punk plant.